Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C53 with shiny champion design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.74 inches Full HD plus waterdrop notch mini capsule display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 90.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 390 ppi pixel density, 560 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.3 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UIT Edition screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 6 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.3 by 76.7 by 7.49 mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. The color options: Champion Gold, Mighty Black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C53 has been priced in Pakistan for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme C53 smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.